Foundation a very warm welcome to the Chemtech Pharma Bio Awards function 2011. Chemtech has served the chemical, pharma and allied industries for 37 years and started the tradition to confer the Chemtech, CEW and Pharma Bio World Leadership and Excellence Awards to recognize the contribution by the people, the corporates and the institutes towards the progress of these industries. We extend a very warm welcome to the chief guest for this evening, His Excellency Shri Kathikal Sankaranarayanan, Governor of Maharashtra, who has arrived and was escorted by Shri Jasu Shah, Chairman, Chemtech Foundation. I take the privilege to invite our distinguished dignitaries, Mr. Sarthak Behuria, Advisor, Petronet LNG. He is also the Chairman of Central Advisory Board for Chemtech 2011. And Mr. K.G. Ramanathan. I'm afraid Mr. Behuria is not joining us this evening. Mr. K.G. Ramanathan, Advisor, Corporate Development, Reliance Industries Limited. Also, the Chairman, Chemtech CEW Leadership and Excellence Awards 2011, to join them on the dais. Good evening, sirs. All right. Could I please request you to switch off your mobile phones and put them on silent mode, and could we all stand up for the national anthem before we start? May I please request Mr. Jasu Shah to address.
We need to. Just we need to go ahead with time. Time is there. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to begin with saying a few words about our chief guest, His Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra, Dr. Sankaranarayanan. You know, over this, those who don't know, I am the longest serving Honorary Consul General in the history of India. And people who have made some study on this in New Delhi, they say probably I am the longest serving honorary consul in the world. The reason I am saying is not to talk about me, but I had a privilege to meet so many wonderful governors and presidents, etc. And I have to say, I still cherish the friendship of some of them after even 25, 30 years. And amongst those, one of the best, I'm saying this not just because he is present here, is our present Governor of Maharashtra. For those of you who may not know, he comes from active politics. He was very actively involved in the Kerala politics, and he was the finance minister. Another reason I want to say something also is, as he walks in, he says, Jasusha, I can never say no to you. And I said, today was one of those difficult days, but I said once. Now, this is, I consider, truly a friendship. And I wrote to him that your kindness of continuous support whenever I have met you, and your friendship is very touching, and we are very grateful. All this, His Excellency, comes from my heart. Now, we are a little bit delayed for various reasons, and we are trying to see that we just close this within the prescribed time. And His Excellency had said that we had said in the minute-to-minute program, between 9 and 9:30 you will be able to leave. So bear with me, we are going to do this little bit in such a manner that every recipient will not be asked to respond on receipt of this, and we will do selectively. I hope you will all understand. My dear friend and a big mentor and supporter, Mr. K.G. Ramanathan. There are many people, I can go on narrating about their true support and kindness to me, but you know, it is not possible. And we usually don't forget people. It was originally the idea that at 25th Chemtech we will recognize every convener and the patron in this 25 events. But logistically it was not very easy. So today we have two very important representatives. One is Mrs. Satwant Reddy, Secretary of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, and another is Mr. Tripathi, who was in charge of petroleum and refining, etc. As they represent symbolically of those 50-odd people we were not able to call today. So, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, this is the time for celebration. Some of the most distinguished achievers, some of the great patriots of this country are going to be recognized today. And I think it is a joy and pleasure to have such a distinguished partners and supporters who are going to, who have played a very significant role, particularly Mr. Ramanathan as the chairman of the Award Selection Committee, etc. So, thank you for all of you to be in a great presence here. It's going to be a very fun-filled evening, but first we must complete this within the time. Thank you very much. Whoever needs to come, just say, don't say anything.
May I request His Excellency, our Honourable Governor, to kindly do the honours with this very special award for the evening, Chemtech CEW Hall of Fame, which is conferred upon Mr. A.M. Nayak, Chairman and Managing Director. Bharat Shiromani, Mr. A.M. Nayak, heads an organisation that is among the most admired companies in India, reputed for the technological sophistication, for its contribution to the development of indigenous engineering capability, and most of all, for its ethical value systems and professionalism. Mr. Naik played an active role in conceptualizing the L&T Employees Foundation, provided L&Tites a stake in determining the course of their company. A concern for social issues complements Mr. Naik's business acumen. Hailing from a family of school teachers, modest in means but rich in values, he is deeply committed to social uplift. Mr. Naik is also the Honorary Consul General for Denmark in Mumbai. We're afraid Mr. Naik's not here this evening. On behalf of Mr. Naik, could we request Mr. K. Venkataraman, President and Member of Board L&T, to please accept the award. Excuse me, we'd request you to say a few words, please. Sir.
Mr. Naik is indeed very honored. He's not been too well today, so he just came back after a long tour. So he conveys his thanks and regards to the Excellency and Mr. Jasushan Ramanathan. I worked over 40 years with him, so I know he was very keen to come, and we are very happy as L&T and that this great award has been given to him. And he's truly, as his citation mentioned, is really a very unique person who has, with a lot of devotion and passion, contributed to this great country in building a great company which builds the infrastructure for this country. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Amrish K. Maheshwari is the Chief Executive Officer of Acrylic Fiber Business of Aditya Birla Group. He has been conferred with Business Leader of the Year, Chemicals and Petrochemicals. He possesses Masters of Technology degree in Fiber Technology from the Indian Institute of Technology, India, and postgraduate course in Management from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, India. Mr. Maheshwari is a role model leader with converging technical quality systems and people skills in a multicultural environment. He has led the organization to become one of the most successful acrylic fiber producers in the world. In recognition of his zeal to render high-value services to the industry, Chemtech Foundation takes pleasure to confer the Business Leader of the Year Award for Chemicals and Petrochemicals to Mr. Amrish K. Maheshwari. May I request him to kindly come on stage and accept the award from His Excellency.
May we have some few words from you? Thank you.
His Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to be here amongst this august gathering of distinguished guests, business leaders, quality practitioners, and change management leaders. Tonight, I feel deeply honored and pleased to receive this Business Leader Award. I would like to thank the panel of judges and Chemtech Foundation for adjudging me worthy of this prestigious recognition. I consider it to be recognition not only for me, but for all my colleagues at Birla Acrylic in Thailand and Egypt. I dedicate this award to my colleagues at Birla Acrylic. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Maheshwari. Now I would like to call upon the stage Mr. P.D. Samudra, Executive Director and Member of the Board, Uday India Private Limited. Chemtech is pleased to confer Business Leader of the Year Engineering Services Award on Mr. P.D. Samudra. Mr. Prakash Dinkar Samudra is the Executive Director and Member of the Board of Uday India Private Limited. He is the recipient of the Hans Uday Gold Medal for his excellence in technology and project sales, and he has played a vital role in arranging for world-class technologies for the Indian chemical industry from Uday GmbH and other foreign licensors. He was associated in project sales for several of the technologies and engineering projects in various fields. In recognition of his zeal to render high-value services to the industry, Chemtech Foundation is honored to confer Business Leader of the Year Award for Engineering Services to Mr. Prakash Dinkar Samudra. Mr. Samudra to address the distinguished guests over here.
Of course, time is short, and this was possible mainly due to my company Uday, which gave me all the chances, opportunities to develop these technologies in India. And my colleagues from Uday India who supported me for the last 30 years, and my past employer Larsen Toubro, who gave me the inputs in this business world. And last but the least is my wife who's sitting there. She supported me throughout, that's why I could do this so much business. Thank you so much.
Thank you for such nice words, Mr. Samudra. Now we go to the next award, which is Business Leader of the Year Plant and Machinery. Chemtech CW is pleased to confer that award on Ms. Meher Padamji. She is the chairperson of Thermex Limited. Ms. Padamji is a company focused, Thermex Limited, a company focused on the businesses of energy and the environment. Ms. Padamji is a postgraduate in chemical engineering from the Imperial College of Science and Technology, London. Meher joined Thermex as a trainee engineer in August 1990 and later took over the responsibility of managing the Thermex subsidiary company in UK. In recognition of her zeal to render high-value services to the industry, Chemtech Foundation is honored to confer Business Leader of the Year Award for Plant and Machinery to Ms. Meher Padamji. Unfortunately, she could not join us for the evening. May I request Mr. Feroz Bacha, General Manager West, Thermex Limited, to please come to the stage and receive the award on her behalf. Thank you for coming. You would like to say something?
Just a few words for everybody from Mrs. Padamji. Your Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra, dear Mr. Ramanathan, Mr. Shah, and the Chemtech Award Committee, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for honoring me and our company Thermex with this award. Though I would have loved to be there with you, we have a board retreat at the time of this, so I had to request Feroz Bacha, our Western Regional Chief, to accept the award on my behalf. Please accept my regrets for today's absence. I am indebted to our team led by Mr. M.S. Sunnikrishnan for the commitment to our vision of making Thermex a globally respected brand in the critical areas of energy and environment. They made this award possible. My compliments to the other award winners. Thank you once again and have a great evening. Meher. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vacha. Now, next award for the evening is Business Leader of the Year Innovation, which is being presented to Mr. Vinod Saraf, Managing Director, Vinati Organics Limited. Mr. Vinod Saraf incorporated Vinod Organics Limited in 1989 and started production of IBB with an initial capacity of 1200 MT. Today, with 14,000 million tons capacities, VOL is the world's largest manufacturer of IBB with more than 60% world market share. VOL is the preferred source for some of the largest chemical manufacturing companies in the world, and exports constitute more than 75% of sales. The spectacular growth and leadership achieved by VOL has been acknowledged by the awards bestowed on it. In recognition of his significant services to the industry, Chemtech Foundation takes honor to bestow the Business Leader of the Year Award for Innovation to Mr. Vinod Saraf. Mr. Saraf.
His Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra, Sri Katikal Sankar Narayanan Sahib, Sri Jasu Shah, Chairman of the Chemtech Foundation, Sri K.G. Ramanathan, Chairman of the Awards Committee, and friends. I am highly thankful to the Chemtech Foundation and to all the members of the Awards Committee for selecting me for Chemtech CW Business Leader of the Year Award for Innovation. I am very much thankful to and feeling highly privileged to receive the award from the Honorable Governor for the state of Maharashtra. I also express my deep sense of gratitude to all my colleagues of Vinati Organics Limited for their continued full support to me and dedicated team efforts towards making the enterprise Vinati Organics successful, without which it would not have been possible. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Saraf. The next award for the evening is again for innovation, Business Leader of the Year Innovation, which is being presented to Dr. Anil Kumar Gupta. He is the General Manager, Advanced Enzyme Technologies Limited. Dr. Anil Kumar Gupta is working with Advanced Enzyme Technologies Limited for the past 14 years and currently operating as General Manager of R&D, leading a team of 15 scientists. He holds a PhD in microbiology with 18 years experience in industrial biotechnology. He has worked as principal co-investigator in many research projects. To his credit, he has published over 18 research papers in national and international journals of repute. Chemtech Foundation takes opportunity to confabulate the Business Leader of the Year Award for Innovation to Dr. Anil Gupta, the visionary scientist who has given generously his time and expertise to make a difference to the scientific industry. May I invite you, sir, to say a few words?
Honorable Governor of Maharashtra and Chief Guest of today's functions, His Excellency Dr. Shankara Narayan ji. I feel deeply honored with this award, and this award means a lot of responsibility for me. I owe thanks to my family, my parents, who encouraged me so much in life and helped me to become the person I am today. They taught me values of honesty, self-responsibility, and hard work. They showered me with love, kindness, and care. Last but not the least, I thank my gurus and God for guidance and showering their choicest blessings on me. Thank you very much.
Now I request the Honorable Governor to confer the Business Leader of the Year Innovation Award to Mr. R.N. Patil, Managing Director, Technoforce Solutions India Private Limited. He is a dynamic and far-sighted visionary. He is the Managing Director of Technoforce Solutions India Private Limited. A graduate in chemical engineering in 1978, he has worked in R&D of Larsen & Toubro for 4 years before he started his own venture in 1984 in Mumbai. He has introduced a series of products in the areas of evaporation, drying, high vacuum distillation, extraction, and zero discharge systems. Specifically, he has carried out pioneering work in thin film technology. In recognition of his futuristic approach for the development of the industry, Chemtech Foundation takes the pleasure to confer the Business Leader of the Year Award for Innovation to Mr. Rao Sahib Patil. So we are running short of time. A short message for our guests, please. Can we have a short message for our guests, sir? If you would like to say something. Yes.
You feel nice when you get such awards. I am also feeling nice and grateful today. Not only because of this award, because also due to the fact that I've met so many people in the last 28 years who believed in my story. And they include my family members, my co-workers, my banker, my suppliers, my customers. Thanks to our customers who repeatedly believed in our story. I said repeatedly because 80% of our business comes from the same customers. It is their money we are spending in our hobby called R&D. Yes, it is possible to spend 40% of the outlay in the R&D and still have a healthy balance sheet. I also thank to our overseas customers who consistently booked 1/3 of our shop capacity. Their faith is encouraging us to start shortly our own R&D center in Europe. My thanks to Mr. Chandrakant Rathi, Director Advanced Biochem. The first breakthrough order in 1984 will always be the most valuable order we will ever get. Many thanks to Mr. GVS Prasad, Director, Dr. Reddy's Lab. He kept nudging us to venture into new areas during our formative years. Many thanks to Dr. Kamath, Director Fine Organics, for pitching us against European suppliers and being very demanding on quality. He is more of a mentor to us than a customer. Very special thanks to Professor J.B. Joshi, ex-Director UICT, for raising the bar and making us think beyond application development. He has painted a big canvas with ideas for R&D which will guide Technoforce through the next generation. Thanks to our auditors, BK Khare & Company, specifically Mr. Bapat. He has no idea of the value addition he has done by helping us to restructure our business. And because of the restructuring, now it is quite visible that R&D investment is paying handsomely. Thanks to my co-workers for being part of the innovation story. Thanks to my first boss, Mr. K. Venkatraman, who is here, Director L&T. 28 years back when he assured me that I can rejoin L&T if I failed in my venture. Since then, I have stopped being afraid of failures. I hope that offer is still open. And finally, very special thank to you, to my dear wife, Pratibha, for her unflinching support. We had our share of difficulties during the starting period, I will always cherish that period of struggle we have gone through together as the most memorable moments in my life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we go to our next award for the evening, which is Business Leader of the Year Environment. This award is being conferred on Dr. Murli Sastry, Chief Scientific Officer, Tata Chemicals Innovation Center. Dr. Sastry is counted among the world's top 10 nanobiotechnologists. He brings with him close to 25 years research experience. Dr. Sastry's current research interests include interfacing biologicals with inorganic nanomaterials, understanding biological processes at nanodimensions, developing new industrially relevant renewable materials and green processes, and ethical issues in application of nanomaterials. In recognition of his immense contribution and services to the industry, Chemtech Foundation prides itself in conferring Business Leader for the Year Award for Environment on Dr. Murli Sastry. Dr. Sastry is not able to join us today. I request his wife, Mrs. Jayagauri Sastry, to please come and receive the award on his behalf. We go to our next award, which is for Outstanding Contribution in Technology, which is being conferred on Mr. Bipin V. Vora. He is a consultant in refining and petrochemical processes. Mr. Vora retired from UOP at the end of 2006, but continues as a consultant and advisor to UOP R&D and marketing managements. He holds 86 US patents and over 200 international patents. He has over 130 publications in various technical and trade journals, including contributions to Kirk-Othmer Encyclopedia of Chemical Engineering, Encyclopedia of Chemical and Process Design, Handbook of Detergents and Studies in Surface Science and Catalysis. In recognition of his zeal to render high-value services to the industry, Chemtech Foundation takes the pleasure in conferring Outstanding Contribution Award for Technology to Mr. Bipin Vora. Now we go to our next award, which is for Outstanding Achievement Award in Research and Development by Corporate, which is being presented to IOCL R&D team for their INMAX technology. This is a novel patented technology produced indigenously by the Research and Development team of Indian Oil Corporation to produce high yield of LPG, light olefins, and high-octane gasoline from various petroleum fractions, ranging from hydrotreated VGO to residue and a mixture thereof. INMAX technology has immense potential in building petrochemical industry based on light olefins such as propylene, butylenes, ethylene from residue-based feedstocks. This path-breaking technology can be of great enabler to augment the demand of LPG in the country. In appreciation of the invaluable contribution to petrochemical industry, Chemtech Foundation is immensely delighted to confer the Outstanding Achievement in Research and Development Award upon IOCL R&D team for this technology. I would like to invite Dr. R.K. Malhotra, he is the Director R&D IOCL, to come to the stage and receive the award. Some words from you, sir.
His Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra, Mr. Shah, Mr. Ramanathan, friends, ladies and gentlemen, I am really humbled and honored to receive this award on behalf of my team, Indian Oil R&D, which has done marvelous job in developing this technology. Two of my lead scientists, Mr. Rajagopal and Mr. Bhattacharya are here, who have been part of this team. This is our flagship technology, which we have already commercialized at our Guwahati refinery. Now, the upcoming Paradeep refinery, we will be putting up a much bigger plant based on indigenous technology. We are proud of this. And I must thank the Chemtech for selecting us to receive this award. On behalf of Team R&D, I once again thank all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Malhotra. Now we go to the next award, which is again for Outstanding Achievement Award in Research and Development for Institution. Chemtech is delighted to present this award to Institute of Chemical Technology, ICT, Mumbai, and I would like to invite Professor Dr. G.D. Yadav, Director, ICT. Established on October 1, 1933 by the University of Mumbai, the Institute of Chemical Technology is devoted to education, training, research, and industrial collaboration in various fields. The ICT is ranked as the best chemical engineering and chemical technology teaching and research institute in India in 2010 and is among the top 10 institutions in the world in an annual ranking of chemical engineering programs conducted by the Georgia Institute of Technology, USA. For its multifarious contributions to R&D at international level, Chemtech Foundation is extremely delighted to confer Chemtech CW Leadership and Excellence Award for Outstanding Achievement in R&D upon ICT.
Your Excellency Sri Shankar Narayan, Sri Jasu Shah, Sri K.G. Ramanathan, ladies and gentlemen, I'm indeed delighted to be here on behalf of the Institute of Chemical Technology to accept this award because ours is a deemed university which has done exceedingly well in chemical engineering and technology and is ranked in top 10 in the world, which is no mean achievement for an institute of our size which has been in existence for 78 years. I accept this award on behalf of all my members of faculty, non-teaching staff and students who have contributed to this. And I must tell our Honorable Governor that we are the state-owned deemed university which is ranked so very well in the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Yadav. Next award for the evening in the Chemtech CW award section is for Dr. K.P. Madhavan for his individual excellence for outstanding achievement in research and development. Dr. K.P. Madhavan is a scholar of extraordinary insight and is currently a professor emeritus in Chemical Engineering Department of IIT Mumbai, where he had spent over 4 decades as a student first. He had spent over many years as a student first and a faculty member later. Dr. Madhavan has pioneered teaching and research in process control and process systems engineering. Dr. Madhavan is an entrepreneurial scientist whose practical approach to science built a whole industry. He had assisted a wide spectrum of industries in the private and public sector in their R&D, technology, development and deployment programs. In appreciation of his tireless efforts to render knowledge and high-value services to the industry, Chemtech Foundation is immensely proud to confer the Outstanding Achievement in Research and Development Award for Individual Excellence to Dr. K.P. Madhavan. Thank you, sir.
To some of the award recipients, my apologies, but we need to complete this in such a way that His Excellency has some time to speak and he has to leave sharp at 9 o'clock. And please have your understanding for this. And thank you.
Thank you, sir. We go to the next section of our awards, Pharma Bio World Leadership and Excellence Awards. The first award in this category is Hall of Fame, which is being presented to Dr. Deshbandhu Gupta, founder and chairman, Lupin Limited. Dr. Gupta could not join us because of his bad health today, so we have been joined by his colleague, one of his, with the head corporate communications from Lupin, Mr. Shamsher Gorawara. I request him to kindly come to the stage and receive the award. Dr. Gupta is an honorary DSc with a master's degree in chemistry and the founder chairman of Lupin. He is also the trustee of the Global Vipassana Foundation and chairman of the managing committee of ISKCON. Dr. Gupta's noteworthy achievements can be attributed to both his spiritual and scientific temperament. The year 2009 saw Dr. Gupta being felicitated with the Lifetime Achievement Award at the Pharma Leadership Summit 2009 for his contribution to the Indian pharma industry. In recognition of his immense contribution and services to the pharma industry, Chemtech Foundation is honored to confer Hall of Fame to Dr. Gupta. We go to the next section, that's Business Leaders of the Year Award. We are glad to confer the Lifetime Achievement Award on Padma Shri Dr. K. Anji Reddy, founder and chairman, Dr. Reddy's Group of Companies. Padma Shri Dr. K. Anji Reddy is the chairman and founder of Dr. Reddy's Group of Companies. Under the capable leadership of Dr. Reddy, PRL has been a pioneer and trendsetter in the Indian pharmaceutical industry. Besides, Dr. Reddy served as a member of the Prime Minister's Council on Trade and Industry, Government of India. He is also a member of the Board of Governors of Institute of Chemical Technology, University of Mumbai. Dr. Reddy has been the recipient of several awards and honors. Notable amongst them are the Sir P.C. Ray Award twice by the Indian Chemical Manufacturers Association, the Federation of Asian Pharmaceutical Associations. Recognizing his contribution, Dr. Reddy was conferred with the Padma Shri in 2001 by the Government of India for his distinguished services in the field of trade and economic activity and industry. Dr. Reddy's futuristic approach towards manufacturing and producing affordable medicines ushered a new era in the Indian pharmaceutical industry, which continues to benefit both the industry and the society. In recognition of his immense contribution and relentless pursuit to serve the India and the Indian pharma industry, Chemtech Foundation is honored to confer Pharma Bio World Lifetime Achievement Award to Padma Shri Dr. K. Anji Reddy.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra, K.G. Ramanathan, and my dear friend Jesubhai. All I would like to say today is that thank you, Jesubhai, for one more award. This is probably the third or fourth time that I'm getting an award, and thank you very much.
The next award is Business Leader of the Year Pharmaceuticals, which is being presented to Dr. Pankaj Patel, who is Chairman and MD Zydus Cadila. Dr. Pankaj Patel could not join us for the evening. May I call upon Mr. J.C. Jani, Executive Director Zydus Cadila, to please come and receive the award on his behalf. Dr. Patel, with his vision and leadership, has catapulted Zydus corporate brand equity by bringing a new direction to Zydus image equity, creating a strong visibility, enhancing the corporate reputation, and fostering goodwill for Zydus. For his innovative business practices, Mr. Patel was declared the Pharma Man of the Year by the Federation of Indian Industry and Economists in 2004. In recognition of his immense contribution and services to the pharma industry, Chemtech Foundation is honored to confer Business Leader of the Year Award for Pharmaceuticals to Dr. Pankaj Patel. Next award for the category Business Leader of the Year is for Biotechnology, which is being presented to Dr. Krishna M. Ella, Chairman and Managing Director, Bharat Biotech International Limited. Dr. Ella could not join us. I request Mr. D. Sai Prasad, Vice President, Bharat Biotech International India, to please come to the stage and receive the award on his behalf. Dr. Krishna Ella is an accomplished scientist, entrepreneur, passionate about science and public health care. Dr. Ella, most recently, the University of Wisconsin-Madison selected him as the Distinguished Global Alumni Award winner. As the co-chairman, Indo-USA High Technology Cooperation Group, Government of India for 5 years, Dr. Ella facilitated the Knowledge Initiative Bill signed by the US in 2008. In recognition of his immense contribution and services to the industry, Chemtech Foundation prides itself in conferring Business Leader of the Year Award for Biotechnology to Dr. Krishna M. Ella. Next, Pharma BioWorld Award, Business Leader of the Year, Plant and Machinery, is presented to Mr. C. M. Shahani, Chairman, Cleansheads Group of Companies. Unfortunately, Mr. Shahani could not join us for the evening himself. May I invite his son, Mr. Hamish Shahani, MD, Cleansheads Group of Companies, and Mrs. Monisha Narke to please come on the stage and receive the award. Mr. Chandru Shahani is a rarity. He's a multifaceted personality with diverse skills and in-depth knowledge on the subjects like basic engineering as well as exotic subjects like genetic engineering and bioterrorism. Both professionally and commercially, Mr. Shahani has met enormous success through his pioneering work. Strong believer in the need for good manufacturing practices and is recognized as an authority on designing clean rooms and containment systems. His latest patents are an outcome of that work dedicated to destroying viral DNA. In recognition of his pioneering work of introducing several path-breaking technologies for the pharma manufacturing, Chemtech is pleased to bestow Business Leader of the Year Award for Plant and Machinery upon Mr. C. M. Shahani. The next award for the Pharma BioWorld is for Outstanding Contribution for Intellectual Property Management that is being conferred on Dr. Prabuddha Ganguly. He is the CEO Vision IPR. Dr. Ganguly is also Honorary Scientific Consultant for Innovation and IPR Matters to the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor, Government of India. Dr. Ganguly has been a member of several international delegations and IPR task forces, like in drafting South African IPR bill. Corporate world, especially pharma industry, has gained enormously from Dr. Ganguly in terms of IPR-related business activities. In recognition of his immense contribution and services, Chemtech Foundation is honored to confer Outstanding Contribution Award for Intellectual Property upon Dr. Prabuddha Ganguly. Thank you, Dr. Ganguly. The next award is for Outstanding Contribution R&D Institutions, which is being presented to Dr. Somesh Sharma, who is the Managing Director, Piramal Life Sciences. Dr. Somesh Sharma could not be present with us today, so may I invite Dr. S. Sivaramakrishnan, President R&D, to kindly come to the stage and take the award on his behalf. Dr. Somesh Sharma pursued advanced studies to obtain a doctorate in pathology from the University of Maryland School of Medicine. He has more than 3 decades of multifaceted experience in academic and pharmaceutical research and has co-founded companies like Anagen, Wizard Labs, S2 Pharmaceuticals, and Calyx Therapeutics. In recognition of his immense contribution and services to the industry, Chemtech is privileged to confer Outstanding Contribution Award for R&D Institutions upon Dr. Somesh Sharma. The next award for this evening is Pharma BioWorld Award for Outstanding Initiatives in the Regulatory Environment, which is being presented to Dr. Surinder Singh, who is the Drug Controller General of India. He had been appointed as the Drug Controller General of India in 2008 and has taken several measures to improve the regulatory environment for the pharmaceutical industry since then. In recognition of his immense contribution and services to the pharma industry, Chemtech Foundation is honored to confer Pharma Bio World Award in recognition of outstanding initiatives in regulatory environment upon Dr. Surinder Singh. May I invite you, Dr. Singh, to speak a few words.
His Excellency, Governor of Maharashtra, Mr. Jasubhai, and ladies and gentlemen, it's a matter of indeed a great honor and privilege for me to receive this Chemtech Foundation Award for outstanding initiatives in the regulatory environment. I think I must be very fortunate that usually the regulators don't get these types of awards, but I think this shows the changing scenario in our country, and this acknowledges that we are now pioneers to become one of the leading pharmaceutical giants in the country, and maybe just in a decade or so, we'll be achieving the target of becoming the pharmacy of the world. And this award goes to my team. Thank you.
Chemtech takes the honor to Chemtech takes the privilege to felicitate two of our ex-secretaries who have worked extensively towards improving the growth of chemical industry in India. I would like to invite Mrs. Satwant Reddy, ex-secretary DCPC, for her outstanding contribution to the chemical, petrochemical, fertilizer and pharmaceutical industries. Mrs. Reddy joined IAS in 1971. During her tenure as Secretary DCPC, she worked extensively for the growth of Indian chemical, petrochemicals, fertilizer and pharmaceutical industries and rendered tremendous support to accelerate their growth to reach where it stands today. As the Secretary Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals from 2005 to 7, she was instrumental in facilitating the execution of several important projects that were critical for the growth of India's chemical industry. In recognition of her outstanding contribution to the chemical, petrochemical, fertilizer and pharmaceutical industries, Chemtech is honored to felicitate Mrs. Satwant Reddy.
Your Excellency, Jasubhai Shah, ladies and gentlemen, I was actually very surprised to be invited here today after so many years, and it's a very gracious gesture to remember a retired officer. I've been out of the country for many years now, so I had just landed when I got this call, and of course I could not refuse our dear friend Jasubhai ji. Sitting in the audience today, I felt very fortunate, and I rejoiced when all our giants in the industry, extraordinary scientists, and the players in this industry, chemical industry, were being conferred with these awards. Chemicals touch each and every aspect of our lives, and India is indeed blessed to have such a vibrant chemical industry. As Secretary, I had to lead many delegations abroad of this industry, and I always was very proud because there was so much to show off about. when I went abroad with all of you. This industry has grown by leaps and bounds, and it's just such a joy it was for me to be associated with all of you. And may God bless you, and may you prosper more and more, and may you continue to be very friendly to the environment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And our last award for the evening, a very important award, when Chemtech felicitates Mr. S.C. Tripathi, ex-Secretary Petroleum, Government of India, for his outstanding contribution to the petroleum and natural gas industries. Mr. Sushil Chandra Tripathi held the position of Secretary Petroleum, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India. During his tenure, he played a critical role to develop many forward-looking regimes to create a level playing field between the public sector units and private companies. He piloted the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board Bill. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to the petroleum and natural gas industries, Chemtech Foundation is honored to felicitate Mr. S.C. Tripathi.
Your Excellency, Mr. Shah, Mr. Ramanathan, and friends. It's a great honor, and I feel very humble to be standing here before you. When I received the message and intimation about this ceremony, I was a little surprised, as my colleague Satwanji has said, and I'm in fact 3 years senior to her, so you must have realized that I would have retired many years ago. Normally, a retired civil servant to be recognized more than 5 years after retirement is quite surprising, and I thought that it must be a mistake. So I started making some polite excuses, but then the people persisted, and I realized that like everywhere else and everything else, Chemtech means business. So here I am. Thank you, Chemtech. Thank you, Mr. Ramanathan, and Your Excellency. It's really an honor to receive the award from you. I find that my seniors, Mr. Ramanathan and Mr. Shah, they are so active and they have remembered me, so I take this message that perhaps they want me to continue my professional associations and come out of retirement and become active once again. So I take it in that spirit. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite our chief guest for the evening, His Excellency Sri Kattikal Sankara Narayanan, our Honorable Governor of the state, to address the distinguished gathering over here.
Friends, Mr. Jashu Shah, Chairman, Chemtech Foundation, Captains of Industry, and distinguished award winners, ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted to associate myself with this awards function and to welcome the who is who from the chemical process, pharmaceutical and allied industries. It is only befitting that we are recognizing people from these industries who have made a difference to whatever extent they can through their endeavors. At the outset, I congratulate Mr. Jashu Shah, the Dominic Chairman and Chemtech Foundation. Mr. Shah came up with a novel idea to organize world-class exhibitions and conferences in India. This at a time when the Indian economy was being liberalized and required a platform to showcase the immense potential and growth opportunities the nation was holding. I also congratulate all the award winners for their outstanding work. As all of you know, India has registered significant growth during the last consecutive years. We are in the midst of our major socio-economic transformation. Our economy has grown at an average annual rate over 9% in the last few years. Despite the global economic slowdown, we hope to achieve growth rate of over 7% in the current financial year. We expect to get back to the growth level of about 9% per annum within 2 years. India is an economy with a huge market and a young and expanding workforce. We have a vibrant and innovative private sector. The challenges before us are manifold, but primarily we need better infrastructure, both physical and social. Energy security of the country is very important to attain and sustain high growth rates. On the social infrastructure front, we need educated and skilled manpower to meet the requirement of human resources. As Chancellor of 19 universities in the state, wherein almost 2 million students are pursuing higher education, I have asked Vice Chancellors of all universities to strive for excellence in education. As a first-rate economy, we cannot afford to have a second-rate educated workforce. I have also asked the Vice Chancellors to design courses in tune with the requirement of industries. I am pleased to note that the industry you represent is playing a crucial role in the economy of the country.